Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can connect the cooking stove Beko to the single phase installation. So, as you can see, there we have the theme, on the left side there we have a phase wires, on the right side number 4 and 5 it's a neutral, and the last one it's a ground wire. So, let's try to connect it. We're gonna start from the green and yellow ground wire. Okay, we have a ground wire. Now the neutral to the, as you can see, number 5 socket. The blue one, it's a neutral. You should have these connectors installed in the default state of the device, but if you don't have, install it in the same way like here. And the last one, the brown, going to the socket number 1. Sorry, it's a little bit hard to fit it in this position with the connector, but okay. Okay, and this is how it looks the device socket. You can also try to fit all the cable to the cover. Okay, now we can close the cover and let's go to the plug side. I prepared it before. As you can see, there we have the plug, the neutral wire going to the right side of the socket, the phase brown cable going to the left side. If you have the ground wire socket, it's going to the middle side. If you don't have the ground wire in your installation, just isolate it and skip it. Now we can try to close the plug cover and let's connect it. You hear beeps, so everything works fine, and this is how you can do it. That's it. Thanks for watching, leave us a like or a comment, and goodbye.